Ruhonge rwa borithi no ruthiete na mbere na gukirirwo ni kuhuthira hinya mukiriku hindi ya kung'ethanira na arurungani. Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu cikiendekithia maabitha a borithi aria mekuruhanite na ciiko ici matacokirio ikinya ria kiwatho. Ikundi ici citongoretio ni Amnesty International ciugite makiria ma Kenya 27 matiuikaine kuria mari. O ni thutha wa kunyitwo migwate hindi ya mirurungano ya MBEU njithi ni andu aria marekoirwo ni maabitha a ugiteri.
We still have 27 people that are missing, and yesterday you remember that there were efforts to submit the names because we are aware that the president at one point or another did say or state that he did not have the names of the missing persons. And so we are calling for the immediate release of these 27 wherever they are being held.
And we would make a call today for the government to release all persons that are within their custody or present them to a court of law as is required by the law immediately to avoid further deterioration of public confidence and the unlawfulness that we have seen in the case of the Kitengela 3.
Tiga kunyitwo migwate ikundi cine cicakaite ni namba nene ya ikuire cikuruhanitio na maabitha a ugiteri.
The causes of death, they vary. Death from blunt being hit with a blunt object at the back of the head. We have shotgun wounds out of live ammunition, shots into various different parts of the body. So it's a combination of different things.
Thini wa miaka iri andu 128 magikuo ni nguraro cia rithathi thutha wa kunyita itemi hindi ya mirurungano ya kuregana na thogora wa iguru wa muturire na mirurungano ya Gen Z.
#reject finance bill. We are reporting the 61, and remember that there are various processes in regards to confirming and verifying, and we only issue numbers that we have verified.
Riu thirikari ni uritio kuriha hathara andu aria maguraritwo na aria makwirire moko-ini ma maabitha a ugiteri.
Kenyan authorities must conduct prompt, thorough and independent investigations into all human rights violations committed in the context of the protests, including the killing of protesters, and hold those responsible fully accountable. Victims of unlawful police use of force and family members of those who have been killed must be compensated.
Ikundi cine ciurite munene wa borithi mweru Douglas Kanja gucenjio thio wa ruhonge ruru.
I think we have to hold accountable the institutions, the units that are essentially operating with no regard to our laws and our rights and freedoms under our constitution.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.